So what do you do when you have a lot of entries inside a table in PDF and you wanna quickly and conveniently transfer all of those entries into Excel? It's not a problem when you have 1 or 2 pages of such entries, but when you have, like in my case, over 30, it might be very time consuming. It could take hours or in some instances days to have these in Excel for further editing. One convenient and very quick way to do this is the following. The first thing I would do is to save this file. I use Foxit Reader for this. So it works in Foxit Reader. It's a free of charge software, so why not? And save as to my computer. Let's say browse and desktop. And I would select a txt file and save. Then I would go to desktop, open this file. It currently looks messy, but let's see what we can do over here to make this better. First, the font. I will decrease the font to, let's say, 5. So now you can see it looks pretty good. So as I said, a lot of data over here. It would take probably days to transfer this manually to Excel. So let's delete this first couple of rows which are not necessary for us to further use. Also this one. So this is a clean row over here. Now the thing you have to do manually over here is to delete this data in between, as you can see in PDF. So the plot frame, so this text over here, this is something we need to do manually. So in this case, this row, item number, and then up to here, and delete, and one more time. So we now join the 2 pages of entries over there. We will now have to do that for all of those entries over here in between for this data. But we're not going to do that. Let's select everything, Ctrl C, and then head over to Excel, Ctrl V. Now text import wizard, fixed width, and we're gonna manually define break lines. In this case, so the first line, let's see a clean input. This is the first column, then the second number, then the third one is going to be over here. So this means that we're going to delete this one, double click also over here. Let's go further. This line is okay. This line also. So this is the manufacturer, this is the supplier. and this is the part number. So next and finish. This looks now pretty nice. And now we have our columns. Looks pretty nice over here. So now you have to delete in between these entries. And now it looks great. You could do that, of course, for all the other data in between pages. But generally, this is the way you do it. Now you can filter the data, sort out, and everything else you normally do in your Excel file. And that's it.